Ekitongore ky'ebyobulamuzi kya Mizeebi izooba lya nyuma abazyo omu kampu y'ebyamagara etebeekanisiibwe kkooti enkuru omu rurembo rwa fortportal.
On guidelines to fight HIV, and among the achievements in implementation of the HIV activities, the judiciary has allocated resources for implementation of HIV/AIDS activities like this other one we are having, and I will ask that we appreciate the judiciary top management for always availing us funds to carry out the health camps.
Bruce Katshabe ujijire mukuru w'akakiiko ka siriimu omu kampu egi amize ko ekitongore ky'ebyobulamuzi kiri kufaayo munonga abantu abarikutuura n'akakooko ka siriimu otaireho n'okurinda obugabe bwabo hamwe n'okubatamu ekitiinisa.
Lord, we are here to provide an enabling environment for elimination of all forms of HIV and AIDS related stigma and discrimination in the judiciary. We are also here to include involvement and participation of staff of the judiciary and other actors in the implementation of interventions to reduce stigma, discrimination and high infection rate in the workplace. When you know your status, it is your responsibility to ensure that HIV ends with you or prevention starts with you. To promote participation of staff, those living with and affected by HIV in discussion around issues that affect them at workplaces.
Ombintu by'ekitongore ky'ebyobulamuzi kitaireho esira ari okutendeka abaramuzi hamwe n'abanyamateeka bandi kubashemeire kutwariza abantu abarikutuura n'akakooko ka siriimu otaireho n'okwetegereza okukarikugyenda. Ewurire egi egendereire kutaho buryo okwo omuntu orikutuura n'akakooko ka siriimu yakubaasa kurindwa amateeka g'eihanga eri.
For the awareness sensitization, both for HIV and non-communicable diseases. We appreciate and welcome all the people who have come to minister to us in this area of our health. I re-echo the suggestion of His Worship, the Registrar, that we need to do exercises. All of us now have sat for more than 2 hours. And health-wise, that is not good. When do we ever get an opportunity to do some exercise? And the RPC, Mr. Ruiz, I want to challenge you that the former RPC
Ime Vincent Mugabe uri omuramuzi mu rurembo rwa fortportal amize ko ehurire egi erikuza kuyambaho mu kukwatanisa eby'amateeka otaireho n'ehururu eyi gavumenti yatandikireho ey'okurwanisa akakooko ka siriimu mu mwaka gw'2023 gutakahikire. Ogu ayongyere yahamya ko eki kirikuza kuhweraho abaramuzi okuba bakubaasa kwetegereza ebintu okukira munonga emishango erimu omubonano otaireho n'emihondano y'omu maka.
Most of us have been dealing with SGBVs, and some of these perpetrators are HIV, and they have a very high risk of transmitting this HIV to the young ones. So there's need to ensure that all our health facilities have PEP.
Ekitongore nikyo kimwe mu kucondooza okukyakozirwe kuruga omu kwokubanza okuhikya okw'ikumi-na-abiri okw'omwaka gw'2022 kikoreka ngu abantu abari omu kakaikoro kamwe n'43,020 nibo barikutuura n'akakooko ka siriimu omu ihanga, kandi ahari aba 85,800 n'abakazi kandi 49,050 n'abashaija kandi 8,000 n'abaana. Ori omwezi wa RDC omu rurembo rwa fortportal Emma Businge ashoborire ngu ekireetera akakooko ka siriimu kaguma nikajanjara omu ihanga n'okugira ngu abantu abamwe tibarikumanya oku bashemeire kutwaza okwerinda endwara egi.
I know that it is possible that policies are made and they only remain on paper. I hope that this can be implemented to contribute to a 2030 goal.